want it shiny. So because the tip's already shaped, pre-shaped, and then pre-length, so you don't have to really do a lot like cutting or trimming or have to sit for like quite a few minutes to just compare them. They are already I just need to like freshen it, like just remove any edges. And do not worry about the numbers. I love this that have numbers and then later I'm gonna put the top coat underneath to make it shinier, and then the number is gonna be gone. So using the e-file and I'm go ahead and use the e-file, Glitz e-file, and then using the medium grit of a ceramics, and then just clean up really gentle around the cuticles. You can see that in the cuticles, that's really is good. No messies, no excess crazy, excess glue gels or gel extension glue or whatever is in there. So then you can able to move on to the next step much easier and smoother. I'm gonna show you. Just turning your E5 to about 5,000 to 6,000 RPM. Okay, and then just make sure you are. I think I need this. All right. Can you see?
Yep, because it will.
All right, just really gentle. So now for a lot of beginners, a lot of you might be afraid of or really excited to using e-file, and all you need is to just turn it to the 5,000 to 6,000 RPM. It really depends on the e-file you have, and when you are doing it, the movement, the pressure of it should not feeling aggressive vibrations or is pressure at all. It should be feeling like you are buffing and tickling the client's nails. And it looks like it go fast, but it's only 5,000 RPM. So I'm gonna go ahead and using like holding it about 45-degree angles again. You heard that a lot with the angle of 45-degree angle. It helps to just go closer to the cuticle without cutting. Blending it. That's it. I think that's all I need. Next one. How about that? Make sure you get one finger. You see my hand that I'm holding the e-file. Is everybody have different technique to holding it? As long as you're able to have one of your fingers stationary, so then you can hold on to the your hand, which is that you're holding the e-file handle right now, so then you can have a so much steady hand without shaky when you find it. See a little bit. Okay. This part, you can definitely take your time to clean it up for your client. It doesn't take much, but you don't want to rush to this because it shouldn't be too aggressive for the clients, but then that way you get this is nice and clean. And blend this part. Keep it flat when you're going. You don't have to really create or shipping or filing to get your apex because it's already just built in. Like it's the shape of it, the structure of it already done. So all you need to do is clean in the cuticles area to just remove the excess. It's not necessary, you don't have to. It's not even cost of lifting at all when you're prepping it really well before you apply. And I love the ceramics bead. It's just so gentle to the nails, especially when you're using it for dipping powder as well, gel extension, velvety gel. Remove too much.
That's fine. So Shima, if you want the same IFA, you can get the bling out one like this on the official website at glitzaccessoryandsuch.com.
I'm just really like that how you can able to get your dead skin completely off.
Yes, and one quick reminder, if you guys want to go on our site quickly, they're always link in bio. You don't have to type in the whole website. I know it's long.
Yeah, if you look into the link in bio, if you're on Facebook, they also link in the bio as well.
Which on no platform, we have our link in our bio, so you don't have to type in the whole thing. Just go to our profile and tap on it.
Just bring you to direct in the official website. Take my time, 45-degree angle. If I want to show you right here's this angle, that's how you hold it for. When you are, after you clean it around the cuticle area, you're gonna slightly flatten your e-file beads and then go flatten it in here because you don't want to create too much of the pressures. And then also I'm still keeping it at 5,000 RPM. I only use it to like 12,000 or is faster when I am remove the bulk of the gels or acrylics or dipping powders or any others removers that I need to on the like enhancements. Even when you're using it with the gel polish remove, you don't need to go up to like 12,000. 5,000 is a great number. Also, if you feel like in heritage you can do 4,000 and then you go slowly, gradually increase the speed of it. Ceramic speed, it's so basically it's just really perfect. It's not aggressive. I love it. I've been using ceramics beads for years, many years. Everybody have a different preference. Find which one it works the best for you and go from there. Okay. I used to use all different and different beads. It's just like a lot of them is a little bit more aggressive. Ceramics bead is more of chilling than the rest of them. All right, so it's clean. And then just in case that you were afraid of to use it, so getting so close, when you first start, all you need to do is here's another smaller beads. Like have a smaller